Hi everyone, my name is Mark Esteban L. Bayanban, and today I want to share a reflection on my self-concept using Carl Rogers' ideas about the real self and the ideal self. Let's start with my real self. This is who I am right now. Someone who is passionate about adventures, especially when I'm with friends, traveling anywhere with my special someone. Her name is Vina and she's my life. I am also a fan of arts because I love drawing, paintings, sports, and playing my favorite mobile game and such. I love spending time with friends and family, and I value kindness and creativity. But, like everyone, I have my struggles. I sometimes find myself battling self-doubt. I wish I was more confident when speaking in public and pursuing new opportunities. These feelings show a gap between my real self and my ideal self. My ideal self is fearless and articulate. I envision myself as a leader in my school or my community, inspiring others while staying true to my values. I want to be someone who embraces challenge and sees failures as a stepping stone every time. So how do I bridge this gap? Start with self-awareness. I'm working on setting small, achievable goals. For instance, I'm joining a public speaking group to build my confidence and skills. I truly believe that it's convenient to... I also remind myself of my strength, my creativity, my empathy, and my resilience. Acknowledging these qualities help me to stay motivated as I strive for growth. In conclusion, understanding my real self and ideal self give me a clear image of what I hope in my journey. It's about embracing who I am while courageously pursuing who I want to be. Thank you for joining me in this reflection, and I hope it inspires you to explore your self-concept too.